Last week, Google introduced their state-of-the-art VEO 3 model and new creative capacities for VEO 2. Other AI tools are also releasing their latest video generation model. Few days ago, Kling AI tool released their 2.1 latest model that produces hyper-realistic motion. Those two video models have been shaking the internet since their release. What if I told you there is another groundbreaking Chinese AI tool that creates realistic and quality video? It also delivers best-in-class quality and greater accuracy. I just discovered a completely free AI tool that generates stunning videos. With just a single click, you can turn any text into a stunning video or upload your image and watch the tool bringing your image to life. The best part, you can generate unlimited videos, add sound effects from this AI tool. No limit. Just register and start your video creation process. In this video, I will work you through this tool and its exceptional features step by step. Make sure you watch the video till the end. Before we start, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. The AI tool I am talking about is Qingying AI Video Generator. Qingying AI is an AI tool that generates quality video from an image or a text prompt and turns it into a stunning and quality video within a few minutes. To access this AI tool, click on the link I have provided for you in the description below. Once you click on the link, you will see something like this. We are going to be using Google Translate to use the website. Click on Google Translate above and change to English. In order to have access to the website, we are going to create an account with the website. Click on Login above. We can only register with the phone number. Click on the drop-down arrow to select your country. If your country is not among the listed countries below, I got you covered. Click on the link I provided for you below. Click on the available number. You can choose any phone number of your choice. You can use US, Canada, or UK phone numbers. Copy your selected number. Select the country code of your chosen number and paste to the box. Click on Get Verification Code. The SMS verification code will be sent to the website. Go to the temporary phone number website and click on the update message. The latest SMS will appear like this. If you don't see the SMS, keep updating the messages till you see ChatGLM dynamic code like this. Copy the code and paste to Qingying AI. Accept their terms and agreement by clicking on the box below. Then click on Login. We have successfully registered. With ChatGLM, you can create anything. You can use the AI search feature. You can draw using the AI drawing feature. If you click on AI reading, AI will be reading the text for you. You can also use Auto GLM meditation, Qingying AI video, and others. For this video, we will be focusing on the Qingying AI video generator feature. Click on the Qingying AI video. This is where the magic happens. Below are some of the videos generated by other users. First, let's explore all the features. This is the text input field where we will be writing our prompt. This is the image icon to upload your reference image. Click on basic parameters below. We have generation mode, video frame rate, and video generation scale. We have a video duration section, AI sound effects, remove watermark, and AI effects feature. Let's start with a text to video feature. I write about two beautiful colorful cats playing on the floor. I click on basic parameters. We will be using faster generation mode for the video. Better quality is for only pro users. The faster generation mode quality is enough for our video creation. Leave the video frame rate in 30 and select the video aspect ratio of your choice. I select a 16:9 aspect ratio. I leave the video duration in 5 seconds. The AI sound effects feature is automatically off for free users. Then I hit the generation button. The AI tool will begin the generation process. The result will take almost 4 minutes, and here's the result. Very impressive result. You can see that we have what we asked for. Very beautiful, playful cats. We also have other cats sleeping. Very quality video. If you remember, I told you the generation mode. Quality is enough for the video. The video resolution is really impressive. I write another simple prompt. A beautiful lion walking with an elephant in a beautiful park. Then I hit the generation button. And here's the result. Very impressive. You can see that we have both the lion and the elephant. It seems the elephant is the only one walking while the lion is trying to stand. Apart from this, the video quality is really impressive. I write a close-up portrait of a beautiful female singer singing with a studio microphone in a studio. Then I hit the generation icon. And here's what I ask for. One thing I like about this AI tool is the quality of the result. Qingying AI always generates high-quality videos. We have a beautiful woman singing with the microphone in the studio. Very natural body movement. The facial expression is very realistic. With a simple text prompt, we have a very realistic video. I know you will be asking, what about the watermark? Don't worry, I will show you a new simple method to remove any stubborn watermark from any image or video for free before the end of this video. Now that we have seen how the AI tool handles simple prompts, let's try a complex prompt and see how it goes. I write a medium shot of a beautiful woman in a trendy hijab with a fine silk pattern and green eyes, wearing a blue hat. She stands in a sunlit garden, her face illuminated by a warm, gentle smile. In the background, vibrant flowers and lush greenery create a serene and peaceful atmosphere. Her reactions and expressions look more natural. Then I click on Generate. generate. Here's the result I asked for. The subject looks very realistic. Her facial expression looks very natural. The background is also real. You can see that the tool can generate anything you imagine and bring your idea to life. I have a prompt that I have tested on 3 AI video generators but unable to generate the exact result. The prompt is about a modern hair salon scene with geometric white LED lights. Lionel Messi, wearing a white football jersey, is cutting Neymar's hair. Neymar is seated in a barber's chair. He wears a striped barber's cape with the inscription Messi Barbershop. Messi is focused as he creates braids or twists in Neymar's hair. Neymar has a calm and confident expression. The setting is elegant and stylish, with a contemporary interior design and illuminated mirrors. After I click on generate, and here's it. Kling AI tool follows other AI tools that are unable to generate video about real human beings or public figures. I even tried this prompt on other AI tools like Google and always got rejected. If you want to generate this kind of video, you have to generate the image, then use any video generator tool of your choice to animate it. Now that we have seen how the AI tool handles the text prompt, let's check out the reference image feature. Click on the image icon below to upload the image you want to animate. Select any frame you like. You can change your image dimension to fit your project by clicking on any aspect ratio of your choice. After selecting the one you like, click on the upload button below to upload. It will appear like this. Provide the tool with the motion prompt on how you want to animate your image like this, then I hit the generation button. And here's what the tool generates for us. Very fantastic. You can see that the tool animate the image according to the prompt. The reaction is natural. It looks like a Hollywood movie scene. Despite the fact that we are using a faster generation mode, which is not up to quality mode, their result quality is still really impressive, assuming we are using a quality mode. I upload another image to the website, a man holding a gun like a security agent. Then I write camera tracking on the man threatening to kill someone with facial expressions and reactions. And this is the result. Let's check it out. Very fantastic. The reaction of the subject in the video looks amazing. The way he is looking, moving his hand, looks very impressive. With the result generated so far, the tool does amazing work in bringing both the text and image to life. Let's try another one. I upload another image. I write camera tracking on a group of robots with some facial expressions and reactions. Then I hit the generation button. The reason why I focus all my prompt on expressions and reactions is that once an AI tool generates real human expressions and reactions for you, the tool can generate anything you want. Let's check the result. This is amazing. The movement is natural. I like the quality of the video. Let me show you how to use the AI effects feature. Upload the image you want to use. After uploading, click on AI effects. We have 6 different AI effects to use. You can use the hug effect, photos in motion, smile, and other effects. So I will be using a hug effect for the image. After I hit the generation button, and here's it, you can see that the tool animates the image smoothly. No flaws, no blur, no distortion. Everything looks amazing. Even the quality is really fantastic. If you want to use this effect, it is very good to use the image of 2 people sitting or standing together for better results. Let's try one more. I upload the image of an Indian female singer. Then I click on the smile effect to see how the tool will apply the effect to the image, and here we have it. Very impressive. The smile is very natural. When it comes to AI tool that generate quality and realistic video, Kling AI video generator is second to none. I tested Kling AI video generator with WAN 2.0, which is another Chinese AI video generator. I can say that the Kling AI tool is the best in terms of smooth animation, video quality, and adherence to the prompt. The AI tool outshine WAN 2.0. You can see that all the videos I generated are free. You can continue generating unlimited high-quality videos with this AI tool without paying a dime. Let me quickly show you how to remove watermarks from all the videos in a single click for free. Click the link in the description below. You will land on this page like this. Click on Remove Watermark now. Click on Remove Watermark and registration pop-up will show like this. Write the email address you want to use. Temporary email work perfectly well on this AI tool. Write your password, then click on Create Account. Make sure you upload the video you want to remove its watermark by clicking on Upload to upload the video. I will be using one of the videos we generated earlier. Click on the right side panel to adjust the brush size to fit the watermark area. Make sure the paint covers all the watermark. After click on Remove Objects now. The tool will begin the watermark remover processing immediately, and you will have the final and professional video like this. As you can see, the watermark has been removed. You can now download the result. Repeat the process for the remaining videos. Upload the next video. Adjust the brush size at the right-hand panel. Paint all the watermark area and click on Remove Objects now, and you will have the video without any watermark like this. Download the video and use it for your project. You can now see that you can generate unlimited high-quality AI videos for free without paying a dime. If you notice you didn't get the exact result using a text feature, make sure you generate the image and animate the image with the AI tool. I am very sure you will love the quality of the result. If you find this video helpful, kindly give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.